Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video I'll show you how to record your screen on a LENOVO tablet K11 Plus. To record your screen, all you have to do is swipe down from the top of your screen and find the button labeled Screen Record. Press on that and then a small pop-up shows up. Then you just have to press on the red circle and the screen recording starts. To finish the recording, press on the small red circle, and to access it you have to go into your photos, on device, and here you have a screen recorder. And that's where you'll find your video. And that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.